Hello. Today I'm cutting. Today I'm cutting rebar for the cow fence, and that should be done. I ordered everything last night, so it's gonna ship in 3 to 8 days. Everything ships within that time, and all that's left to do now is tractor this area south of the greenhouse.
You might get out the tractor today. Do that.
I would love to do that. I can pick up
Whoa.
the pile with the tractor later.
That's big.
After this meeting or after I finish the rebar. And that is really big. It's exciting.
The first use of the tractor and plowing,
the
actually.
thing with cardboard.
Yeah.
So that can all get done today. And tomorrow Tim's coming. He said yes, we can use his truck to get manure from Teddy.
Oh, excellent.
I have to call Teddy because Tim didn't give a time. He said don't give Teddy a time because his schedule's up in the air. But he's going to come with the lawnmower and the weed whacker so we can work on stuffing mattresses and in the meantime go pick up manure. And I'm pretty tired, but I feel great.
Okay. Yeah, you're going to crash pretty soon. But in the meantime, what's the status on the surveying equipment?
It's all ordered. I found a $250 less laser level, the rotating one. You were
With
right.
automatic?
On eBay it
Excellent.
was the same exact thing. I can probably go back to
It's about $650 for a laser level for surveying?
No, it was like $560.
$560,
Yeah,
excellent.
so that was a big dip in price.
Excellent.
And I'm not going to worry about the warranty through FrontierNet because I'm sure I could contact the brand's producer and get replacement parts or whatever I need. Also, it's just a really sturdy machine, so I don't anticipate problems with it anytime soon.
Do we have seeds?
Yeah. We have 5 pounds of sorghum, 2 types of corn, 2 types of melon.
How much field crop are we going to plant out?
As much as we can.
How much would you like?
As much as we can.
Acre?
Yeah, or 2.
2 acres?
Yeah.
We can fill up this whole field here?
Yeah.
Whole front?
I mean, sorghum can be like a cover crop, and we can plant that bird seed that I found yesterday. The millet, and there's some barley seeds in there too. But
okay.
yeah, the grains can cover anything we can plow, and then the vegetables I bought more than we need, probably more than we can plant this year.
My question is, how are we going to harvest?
That's my job.
Okay,
I'm
excellent.
good at that.
Okay, so that's excellent. Good. This is the Scrum meeting for June the 20th, Wednesday. Okay, next. Yunso, tell us about this. I have a specific question for Yunso. Okay. What is the latest status on the torch table regarding the electronics and the new open source stepper controllers?
Okay, so the open source stepper drivers are okay. They can handle the current. They have a heatsink, and as long as they're at the fan beside the heatsink, it'll be no problem. The concern now is having a power supply that can handle the current, because right now we had to have 2 different ones. So one power supply for the 2 stepper drivers, another power supply for the other 2. So having power supply issues, and the other issue is we're unable to practically move the Z-axis because the load on it is too high, and we had to replace that larger load stepper motor with a smaller one.
Okay, we just need to find that other stepper motor.
Yes. So that's for the torch table. We need we need to solve the power supply issue, and we need to solve the Z-axis issue.
And other than that, you can get the streaming of G-code and all that?
Streaming of G-code is all ready.
How come we didn't try the two-dimensional motion the first time we tried, if we can stream G-code?
We didn't have sample G-code that...
Oh, you just didn't get there? Okay, no problem. Okay, I have a second specific question. That is, what is the status of the fabrication of the cold saw? Can, for example, Brianna start working on it? How far are we on the fabrication procedure?
Fabrication procedure, we have, without the cutting and accessories, pretty much finished. So all the way from the base plate to the fixed block to the swivel plate to the support to the drive assembly, it's all there. Accessories, though, is pretty important because you need these shaft coupling, shaft collars, and the one special one that applies the axial force. All these in order to assemble it properly.
We need to fabricate all of that, or get it fabricated.
It's ready to start.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. Okay. So otherwise, what's an update from yesterday
All right.
today?
So Yesterday I worked on that, the manufacturing instructions, and today I'll be resuming that, including the cutting and the accessories and cleaning up of the design rationale, making it much better, integrating the design files into there, easier for people to understand, easier for designers to reference.
Okay, excellent. Okay, and for me, yesterday, by the way, we had our first official planned CAD cross-training session on CAD, and it was really, really productive. You can see the video of that online. And we're going to continue that every week for CAD skills, fabrication skills, and all kinds of other skills like video production, organizational development, agriculture, everything else. Okay. Construction. We've got good news from Brazil.
Okay, I just met with Theo Bundolfi. He is the, let me get his name, he's the chairman and co-founder of Winternet and eCulture and Ecopole in Europe. So they've been building
The fellow we
communities.
just talked to, he founded eCulture?
Yeah, so they've been building communities in Europe and South America for over 20 years, and all the core team that originally founded their first community are all still working together. They have a grandmother, their movement in Europe that's been doing this for 50 years. She's 75 years old, so they have a lot of success and people staying together to build free culture. So I
We
think
got the elders on the team.
I think, yeah, they're connected to, basically they want to invite March into the eCulture conference. It's the 11th one in Europe next April with Florence de Voorde.
Cool.
She's the former chair of the Wikimedia Foundation, Richard Stallman of Free Software, and
Excellent.
Pierre Vallet, he was one of the founders of the internet. But I think the way that I see this is like, they've been working on a similar strain or a similar movement for 20 years, and they see us as some of the latest,
Little
hottest
babies?
iteration. Yeah,
Mhm.
babies.
Yeah,
But
little
all
5-year-old babies, yeah.
all affiliated. So they want to make sure, they want to take everything they know and download it to us so that we can really just get ahead. And they threw
That's
things.
beautiful. That's excellent, yeah.
They threw
That's how it
stuff to
works.
us like the Moodle alike business model. So
Okay.
there's a way of doing business enterprise development. But anyway, there's so much that they want to sit down and help us develop everything that we need to for our framework and organization and structure, and help us get funding. They offered it.
Should we meet with them soon? Should we do face-to-face?
They want to meet with us. They said we should go to DC in July and meet with them at the
Okay.
Wikimania. I'm so excited to talk to them. So
Excellent. Wow, that's a great
Theo,
contact.
awesome. Thank you so
And
much
they're-
for being with us.
Yeah, thanks. And that's pretty much someone who's aligned not only on the internet culture, but also the on-the-ground building of communities.
Absolutely.
That's a nice link.
And he argued at the UN to advocate for the use of free as opposed to open source, because he really wanted to advocate for like total freedom in the use of it instead of having restraints. And I mean, they're ideologically aligned on every level. It's
Yeah.
awesome to talk to them.
Excellent. What about the rest of the day? Just the same old at Factory Farm. What's that?
Breaking down barriers and making a new culture.
Well, but yeah, specifically?
Specifically, we're going to knock out the trademark. We've got our bylaws that we're going to approve.
And publish the post on the recruiting of the 6 documenters. That's a big
6
task for
documenters,
today.
yeah.
We got to publish that today,
There's a
and
lot to do.
we're going to get interviews starting tomorrow.
ASAP. So if
Yeah.
you're out there, apply if you've got the skills and the heart for it. Yeah.
And all the positions are videographer, blogger, CAD director,
Community manager,
community manager,
curriculum development.
and community manager.
Yeah.
Excellent. Chris.
Morning.
Good morning.
Yesterday, me and Marcin went through the work plan for the next month. After that, I cleaned up the area around the torch table. And today we're going to do, and yesterday we also did the CAD SolidWorks training, which is awesome. And today I'm going to start converting the SketchUp to the SolidWorks professional format.
Mm-hmm. Excellent.
And possibly start cutting out some of the angle for the rib section on the torch table.
Okay. Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yesterday, Graham and I finished another table. That's going to have the old ironworker on it, and it's going to sit next to the new ironworker, so they can run off the same hydraulic unit. So we're gonna put that into place and move the